Hello guys, and welcome back to your girl's channel. So today, as you can see from the title of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your eyeshadow pop using two simple hacks or tricks that I personally picked up. I know one of the tricks I saw trending a few months back, but the first trick I actually discovered it on accident. It was a complete and total accident. So yeah, if you want to see exactly what it is I'm talking about and the two easy tricks that you and anyone else can do to make your eyeshadow pop, please keep on watching. So the first hack or trick out of the two hacks is to one, prime your eyelids with a concealer that is way too light for you. A concealer that you cannot use underneath your eyes. Just something that is, really bright. Just something that is really bright. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Concealer in medium/deep. This concealer is about 3 to 4 shades lighter than my skin tone. As you can see, I can't do nothing with this concealer other than use it to prime my eyelids. A concealer that is lighter than your skin tone or is way too light for your skin tone is just going to make the colors pop more because it's going to have a very white, almost white base, and it's just going to bring out the colors, the richness of them, just a little bit more than a concealer that is your skin tone or a concealer that you use to highlight underneath your eyes. So this is going to be the first thing I use. And then the second tip is to not set your concealer. Yes, I said it. Do not set your concealer. And I repeat, do not set your concealer. Don't use a translucent powder. None of that good stuff. Don't set it. Not setting your concealer is going to allow for the colors to stick on better and to appear more brighter, more richer than when you do set it with a translucent powder. It's just going to make, one, the colors look very dusty and powdery, and two, it's not going to be as pigmented. So those are my two tricks. I'm about to show you them in action. So yeah. Oh yeah, and the not setting your concealer, you don't have to go right on ahead and apply the eyeshadow right on top of wet concealer. Just give it about 30 seconds for it to dry down a bit. And that's probably how long it's going to take you to figure out what brush you're using and what palette you're using. So 30 seconds to a minute for it to dry down just a tiny bit, but not too much, okay? So let me zoom you guys in and show you these tricks in action. So for my eyes, I'm just going to be using my Morphe 35B palette, and this is sadly discontinued, but we're gonna make do with what it do, okay? So on this eye, I'm going to be using the two tricks that I just told you about, and then on this eye, I'm going to be doing the exact opposite, just to show you the difference and so you guys can better see exactly what it is that I'm talking about. So for this eye, I'm using the concealer that is way too light for me. And then for this eye, I'm going to be using a concealer that I would normally use to highlight underneath my eyes. This is just the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Cafe. You can already see the difference in the color. So I'm going to go ahead and blend both of these out. And also, because we're not setting our concealer, make sure you are looking down the entire time before you go in with your first color, just so you avoid any further creasing. So for this eye, I'm going to go ahead and set it using a translucent powder. I'm just using my Coty Airspun powder to set this really quickly. I'm just taking a bright blue color for demonstration purposes. Again, it's from my 35B, and as you can see, this color is so nice and rich. Oh, and this eye already set down just a little bit while I was applying my translucent powder to this eye. And as you can see, I'm using small circular motions to blend out this eyeshadow, and it's blending out with ease. I'm going to clean this brush off and then go in with the same color on this side just to show you the difference, so y'all can believe me now. So I went ahead and applied a purple and a blue on both eyes, and as you can see, this side of my eye is richer, the color is deeper, and this eye just looks powdery, it looks chalky, it looks, you know, it's not up to par. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of the eye look on both eyes, and then we're going to come back for a full-on comparison. So as you can clearly see, this eye looks 10 times better than this eye. The colors are more pigmented. The pink and the orange on this one didn't really pick up as much, even a little bit of the purple. But the blue picked up really nicely, and the blue on this side picked up really nicely. But the rest of the colors on this side, not so much. But this eye is popping. Yeah, I'm gonna zoom y'all out, and we gonna end this. So I did go ahead and fix this eye off camera because I couldn't look at both of them at the same time. I couldn't put on lashes with one of them looking fucked up and the other one looking good. So I just had to fix this one real quick off camera, and I did. But you all saw the results, and you know I'm not tripping and I'm not lying. So go try this out and let me know how it works for you, because this is how I've been doing my eyeshadows as of recent. Not actually as of recent, as of like the beginning of 2018. I just wanted to make sure that it works and I wasn't tripping before I shared it with you all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I taught you how to make your eyeshadow pop, and this again is for all skin tones, even darker skin tones. This is going to work amazingly well. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave any questions, comments, or concerns down in the comment section below. And for the love of makeup and all things girly, please subscribe. Stay tuned for your girl's next video.